Somebody came into my workplace to bring to my attention this pigeon that was on the pavement, not doing very well, looked stunned as if it fell off a building. I went out to investigate and picked it up, and it was moving but didn't look too good, so I brought it inside and kept it in the warmth with the heater. Kept talking to it, hoping for recovery, but sadly it looks like she has passed away. So all I can think of is possibly come to the end of its cycle. But it was nice having those last few moments, and I feel very sad and upset, but very comforted knowing that she would have felt comfort just before her passing, because she's gone now, bless. Oh, I was on the phone to the RSPCA, bit of a long queue, not their fault because they were always busy, and went back to her and I thought, she's gone, so I put the phone down. So I'll have to find a place to put her, for her to rest in peace. Oh, London Street Pigeon, eh? Oh, God bless. Rest in peace. Amen.